Today we explore the Sangkha Water Reservoir with the Dji Avata. You are welcome to join me on this flight. Welcome to Fly with Odin. Nan had to renew her driving license, and right next to this government office is this water reservoir. I took the chance to explore this lake with the Dji Avata. It was very hot, and I was happy to sit in the car with aircon while flying the drone. This video will give you an impression of Isan during the hottest and driest month of the year. If you are new to the channel, not forget to subscribe to stay in touch. Turn on all notifications and click like to support our channel. Please let us know what you think about our video in the comments below.
I would love to see you like.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and fly. go. And I look down, and all your fears around the ground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. 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 Hold on, right here. Hold on, right.
Thank you for flying with me. If you have not seen our latest video, just click here. We hope to see you in our next video again.
Yes, click now.